Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add background music to Snapchat. Now, you can add background music to Snapchat by choosing the music to add. You can also create your own sounds, explore different music, have fun and be creative by using music to express yourself and make your snaps more engaging. Now we're going to follow some steps to show you how to easily add background music to your Snapchat snaps and create more dynamic and personalized content. So let's get started. The first thing we do is going to open up Snapchat, which is what we've done, and then we're going to take a snap, that means picture. So we've taken this picture. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to tap the music note icon, which is this one over here, and then we have some options. We have the featured, we have the favorites, we have trending, we have playlists. So here you're going to choose the music you want. You have a variety of options, like I said. Featured sounds, this is this one where you explore popular songs and sounds here. We also have my favorites, and over here you access your saved favorite sounds. As you can see, I don't have any saved favorite sound. Now the next one we have is trending. So we have trending, so you can see the trending sounds over here. So the next thing we're going to do is we want to choose the song we want. You can also search for an artist or a sound. There's a particular one you want. So let's say I want to search for Happy Birthday. In this case, I want to search for a song from Frozen to fit the image. Okay, then choose the many of them. Let's say I want from Frozen 2. Now, don't forget that you can also adjust the music by adjusting the volume and putting on the music. You can also select the part you want. So let's do that again. Tap on music. We're going to search for Frozen. Then you tap on that. Tap on send. It's as simple as that. Now you can post it by posting to your stories or to be sent. And you can choose who you want to send it to at the top here. It's as simple as that. That is how to add background sounds or music to your Snap. Now you might decide to create your own sounds by recording your own voice or uploading videos or uploading audio clips from your device to use as custom sounds. Don't forget to experiment with different genres and styles of music to enhance your snaps. Don't forget also to use this music as a medium to express yourself and make your snaps more engaging. So let's go back and see. So tap on remove sound. Tap on the music icon again, and now so tap on my sounds to create, and then tap on create sound. You can upload or you can record sound. Tap on record sound. Let's say I want to record sound. So you must be able to access the microphone, so give it a chance. Tap on OK. Now there's a restriction on my microphone because I'm using it to record this particular video. So that's it. So but for yours, you should be able to record it. Just give it access and then record the song and you add it. It's as simple as that.